Yo, what up gang, how's it going? So I had a really good idea. I hope it's a good idea. Each time I'm creating a project, I'm telling you folks that you can download the CSS file that's down in the description below and constantly have to upload a specific CSS file. So what I'm going to do now is create a GitHub repository for my personal CSS framework. So here we go. Basically, in the future, you could just go to that repository and download or clone the freaking repository. I'm going to have the entire CSS framework that I created. This is my personal one. I actually created this and updated with time in my advanced CSS and SAS course. So definitely check that one out. And this was definitely not a shameless plug. So here we go. I'm going to create now, let's call this a main.css file and copy everything that is in here, right here. Okay. Now I'm going to go to GitHub. If you don't have a GitHub account, I have a video down in the description below, or just search my YouTube channel for the video how to create GitHub, how to create a GitHub account, how to create a repository, and so forth and so on, how to clone repositories. Okay, so let's just create a new. I'm going to create a new repository. We're going to call this nbm or Norbert pm dash css dash framework. Okay, there should be a unique name. Okay, description. This is my personal CSS framework. You can use it as you wish. Enjoy. Okay, there we go. Now I'm going to, let's add a readme file. I'm going to make this public, of course, and now create repository is going to take just a couple of seconds. Add files, going to create a new file or upload files. Let's go this way. Upload files. I'm going to right click here, real in my Explorer. There we go. There's my file, and just going to drag and drop this little puppy in there. And let's do here a commit, and you should be good to go. So there you go. There's my free CSS repository for folks to enjoy. So hope you will enjoy it. Please check it out. Give it a try. It started out with the background of a Bootstrap CSS, so it's pretty much not the same, but it started out like a Bootstrap. Then I added and added to it, and continually adding to it. So we're going to see here a couple of updates in the upcoming weeks. Okay, so check it out. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Also rate this GitHub repository. Give it a couple of stars if you enjoyed it. And with this being said, love you all. Have a nice day. Have a nice weekend. Bye bye.